scan confirms the ID match. Good, cross-reference with the weight data here. All parameters are within the acceptable range on my end.
The beautiful marbling of this Brahman cut is a testament to its premium quality, glistening under the lights.
The garlic and pepper infusion is stable at 98%.
Excellent. That meets the premium standard.
Only the finest cuts, slowly tumbled in our signature marinade, with visible herbs and cracked pepper for a perfect finish. Batch 23 is complete. I've logged the temperature and pressure readings.
The humidity levels in chamber 3 are stabilizing.
Good, let's bump the temperature up 5 degrees and monitor the output.
The color consistency on rack 4 is excellent. Agreed. Documented as premium grade.
Look at the readout here, it's slightly elevated. Yes, but still within the acceptable range for this cycle.
Keep it steady now, push on 3. Almost there, a bit more to the left.
The distribution on rack 3 looks optimal. Agreed. The density is uniform across the top vents.
Zone 3 temperature holding steady at 2 degrees Celsius. Roger that. System performing within parameters.
Make sure they are evenly spaced.
Got it. Are these ready for the next phase? The thickness on batch 61 looks consistent. Yes, the calibration is holding steady.
Length is 6.2, thickness 0.15. 0.15, noted. Next one.
Check the flow rate on drum 3.
Looks stable, right within the parameters.
Length is 6.2, thickness 0.15. 0.15, noted. Next one.
The color saturation on this batch is excellent right here.
Agreed. Looks consistent with the golden standard. Mark it as approved.
Results look good on the batch 42 inspection. All parameters are within tolerance.
Confirmed. Ready for approval.
Every strip of our premium beef jerky passes through this high-sensitivity metal detector, ensuring the highest standards of food safety.
Look closely right here. I think there's a slight crimp in the material. Yes, I see it. Let's discard this one and get a new roll.
clear on the left, set it down gently. We need the next one ready. We need to reroute the Mexico shipment to Bay 4 and confirm the priority load is secured.
Welcome to the future of premium snacking. This is the culmination of years of perfecting the Brahman breed.
And the taste is absolutely unmatched.
Crafted for the connoisseur. The finest premium beef jerky.
From the finest Brahman beef to our premium jerky, we oversee every step with pride. This is the Prodexa Promise.